In this video, we'll be focusing on how to create, or basically after like everything you have done in your app, you have completely tested your app and everything is clear, then how can you add, build and release your Android app? So basically we are focusing on that. Okay, so in this video, I will go through each and every step that will be required to publish your app or list your app into the Play Store account. And we will be starting with like few basic steps, and after that we will be moving forward to the crucial step, which are the signing keys. Firstly it would be a launcher icon, then we have to go to the material components, it is not important, and finally we have to move to the signing the app. And I think this is the most important one, and once everything is done we can just go and create an app. Okay, so I will go through this in your journey. So basically start with an app icon. I think it's pretty easy. You can just go to some website just like an icon kitchen. It is a website that generates you Android, iOS and web icons, and it is a very good website. You can add your clip arts. You can just select an icon. If you don't want so much customization, you can just use directly this one. This will be generated very high quality. You can change your colors. Let's say I change the color to something around this guy. I like black, so I just put the black. Okay, so this is my color, and just a second, I think I have pretty much so many things I've started. This is my expert build, just have to close that. So you can easily come here, select an icon. If you want to add some text, you can come here, write your text like ABC, and you will get the text here. And if you want to drop an image, you can select an image. Basically over here, just let's say I selected this icon for my app, and if you have your icon just like this, an image, and if you want to convert, just remove the padding to 0%. And otherwise you can also use one more thing. Let's just go to this color option, go to this color selector option, and just match the color same as this one, and you can decrease the padding as well. I got the icons, I just tool and download it. It will directly get downloaded in your browser, and without even giving any ads something, you can see my download is done. Yep. So still pretty laggy, I don't know why I closed it. So basically this will give you this folder, and if you open that, you can see it's a zip file. It's gonna be unzipped, and we will get this one. Yeah. So this is for Android, this is iOS, this is for web. For going in the Android, get the rest, and just control everything, copy it, go to your app. Basically this is my app, go to app, source, main, resource, and put everything over here. I've already done that, so you can see what the images I want to be present, so I don't have to do it again. So this was the first. Now you have to go to the second step, which is creating a signing key. And first of all, to create a signing key, if you are creating it the first time, you have to follow the step. I will go to that. So ignore this part, it is not that important, but you can add it. Okay, so we're moving forward to this part. If you're using a Mac OS, you can just simply write this command into your terminal, and if you're using Windows, you can go with this command, and if you're Linux, you can also use this one. So right now I'm on a Mac, so I just copy this command, go to my terminal, and I paste it. As you can see, it requires a key store password. So if you are setting it for first time, please remember this password because it is not going to be stored to you. I totally get that. So what it's saying is I have already created one, so alias already exists. And so if this error comes to you, so just don't panic about it. It is very easy. If you just have to go to your basically wherever this file exists. So this is my key store file. So if I remove this, I have to do this again. I have to do the steps again, but I will not remove this because otherwise I'm not able to sign my keys. So if you remove this or move this to other folder, and then you add it, and then you click this command, you will have asked like few questions. You can just press yes, and if you don't want, you don't even answer them. So this is very simple to do. And once you do that, it will generate some file which is called this file, keystore file. Take this file and drag this file up and just go to your Android. Where's my Android folder? I'm going to my Android folder again, and just a second, let me grab this up and upload it to your Android app. So once you upload that into the Android app folder, you have to create one more new file. Just add a new file into the Android, and you have to name it key.properties. I already exist one, so this is my key.properties, and sorry, this is my key.properties. And you can also just copy this command from here. So I'll just paste it over here to show you guys. Now you can add my password. So my current password is, let's say, 123.90 again. So this password should match the password we have entered over here exactly. Okay, this should be uploaded, and then you have to change this file location to this one. So basically what we are doing is we are giving it the JKS file. Okay, so you can either write it up, you can see upload .keystore.jks. basically you can write it out, and once you're done, it is set up done. So after doing this step, so we are halfway there, so just go to your build.gradle, and now you have to do the other step. Basically what he says, you go to the Android app build.gradle and add this line. So if you go Android app build.gradle, and you can see I have already added this line. So you can see that. So you have to just add these lines above the Android parenthesis, and after that go to the next line, which is signing configuration. Just copy this guy and go to your browser. It is again an Android app build.gradle, so just go below and you can see my signing configuration is already present into this. Then also one final last change, which would be signing configuration. It should be like a release, so replace it from debug to release. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can see all our steps are done. So just once hit the save everywhere, go to the Firebase. Just if you want, you can clean the project, and if you don't want, you cannot. Just do flutter app build app bundle, run this command, flutter build app bundle. If you have some packages or if you have some errors, it can be tackled or it can be fixed using the debug console or the terminal about getting the responses. So after some time, you will be getting your build over here, and then you just have to go to your main Play Store account and directly upload it over here. So I think that's clear. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comments, and thank you. I think I will just summarize the process, then let's complete the process. Firstly, we require an icon, then we go to the signing key. Firstly, we create a generated the JKS file, and then we create the key properties file, which is this guy, and in that we have to store the password and the location. Then we change into some things into the build.gradle, build.gradle, and finally we have stored everything over here. This change, and this guy over here, and this guy's over here. Yeah, so that's it. After that, you just have to run flutter build app bundle. That's it. Thank you, and have a nice day.